Hello everybody, how's it going? Don't mind the bird. He's a little eepaholic this morning. He's also mad because I turned off the Taylor Swift music for this. Alright, so we're getting ready to clean the microwave. So what we got here is a glass bowl that just has water in it. I'm going to put in 5 drops of lemon. Okay, we actually got 6, that's fine. But yeah, you just have a glass bowl that's microwave safe. Get some water in there. I have hot water because I just cleaned some dishes. And then you just put 5 drops of lemon in there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. And we'll let it sit in the microwave without opening the door for 5 minutes after that. And then it should, all the grime should just like wipe right off. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's just luck. There you go. Hi, everybody. We are cleaning the stove real quick while the microwave is still bathing. Otis is mad because I turned the music off. I'm sorry, bud. It's a necessity. Ew. It's a necessity for cleaning. Look at this. We sprayed this. We let it sit for like almost an entire Taylor Swift song. I believe we had it sit through Dear John. Yeah, we're listening to Speak Now. This is what I do. I go, let's record this, make a video out of it, and then the bird gets mad because the music stopped. And you might be saying to yourself, oh, Blue, why don't you just record everything and not even put the music on? Then he won't get mad every time you turn the music off. And to that I say, that is smart on paper, but in practice, not so much. Because he is you. He is a smart bird. He's a very smart bird. He knows from my time of cleaning before making videos about it that cleaning time is music time. So when there's no music, he knows something's missing and he throws a hissy fit. So in the end, there's really no making him happy unless I don't record a video. The other option is to actually bring my camcorder out and record with that and let the music play and then just have non-copyrighted music in the background while I'm cleaning. It is an option. I'm going to try spraying right here. See if we can get this gunk off. Yes, we're just using the Abode multi-surface cleaner today. Nothing fancy. We're gonna let that sit. While it's sitting, I believe the microwave is done sitting too. The bath is done. It's a bit over 5 minutes now. So it wasn't that bad to begin with. It's just pain. Oh gosh. Okay. I know I just cleaned this stove. Go like this. And I'm resting you against something. Will you guys rest against the honey? No, you will not. What about this full jar of salsa? Yes, you will rest against that full jar of salsa. Good job. Nope. I bumped you, didn't I? It's a two-handed thing right here. I'm gonna have to clean the stove again. I bumped you again, didn't I? No, you just want to slip. You just really want to say hi. Hi. How's it going? All right, we cleaned that. All right, let's get that out. Ew. Hear that? Actually, rubbed right off. That's awesome. Okay. This is outside, so I don't think it's going to work. No, it did. Okay. Inside here. You. Meow. We're just spreading stuff at this point. Time for a new one. Yeah, good boy. You're such a good boy, dude. You. I'm saying ew to the rag, not you. You are beautiful. The only ew thing about you is eating your own poop. Everything else is gorgeous. You know, all the other cleaning videos you can watch right now, they have it figured out. You know, no shaky cam. You see everything. They're cleaning. I am just starting in the cleaning and the filming me cleaning, so I don't have it all figured out. I'm just doing the best I can with the tools that I have. But stuff is cleaning really well out of here, so that's always a plus. It does look better than it did earlier, so I would say that technique does work really well. And out of all of the cleaning hacks I've been studying, that one is by far the cheapest one. Just water and a few drops of lemon oil, which, let's be honest, if you have essential oils, you have lemon already. Oh gosh, so many paper towels go into this microwave. Dub. Yeah. Like, it is coming off nicely. The problem is I am working on getting back into the habit of cleaning, so my hands are not quite there yet. Oh gosh. Ew, I'm gonna have to clean my hands too. Alright, one more paper towel for the microwave. Just to clean this area up a bit. Show 100% of the ceiling before doing this. Live and learn, right? Ooh, we found a stubborn one. Okay. Alright, I'm going to say that cleaning hack. It's legit. That is not a dud. That was really good. Alright, put this back. Hopefully I'm back in the right spot. Back on here. Okay, what? Do I have it upside down? No. I don't think I do. That doesn't seem right.